If you're asked to play this shot, you might say to use a high cue ball hit with left English to get position. But what happens? The cue ball ends up leaving you a free shot. Some players might suggest using a low hit with right English and going 3 rails instead, but that requires using almost maximum power. The next time you see this layout, try using a medium-low hit with left English. The medium-low hit first changes the cue ball's natural angle, sending it toward the short rail. At that point, the left English transfers into right running spin off the rail, causing the cue ball to accelerate toward the long rail. After contacting the second rail, that running spin is still working, carrying the cue ball toward the area near the 8 ball. This allows you to go 3 rails and bring the cue ball into the ideal position zone for the 8 ball. Once you get here, the shot is practically in your pocket. So for this layout, don't try to get position with a high hit. The natural angle will only take you into a bad position. Instead, use a medium-low hit with left English and take advantage of the strong running spin the cue ball develops after contacting the rails to bring it into the ideal position zone. Maybe you still don't believe it. Let's give it a try and see what happens.